Our topic is analysis of blood. In this, we will discuss about the RH and Mn blood grouping system. Previously, we discussed about the ABO blood group system. Objective of the presentations are RH blood group, importance of RH blood group, and what is RH incompatibility. RH blood group system or rhesus blood group system. It was discovered in the rhesus monkeys, so it was called as rhesus blood group system. The RH blood group system is one of the most polymorphic and immunogenic system known as the humans. It has most complex system with over 45 antigens, which were discovered in 1940 after work on a rhesus monkey. The gene for the RH blood group was located on the short arm of a chromosome number. RH system consists of whole system. RH antigen, more than 50 antigens are present in a RH system. Some of the important RH antigens are D antigen, C, small c, capital E and small e. The person having these antigens are known as RH positive and the persons which lack these antigens are known as RH negative. As we discussed earlier, ABO system. In AVO system, we will be having A antigen, B antigen. So what are they? They are basically the carbohydrates, whereas RH antigens are the protein. They are proteinaceous in nature, having peptide chain which passes through the RBC membrane. How the discovery of RH factor take place? Firstly, RBCs from the rhesus monkeys was injected into the rabbit. When they are injected into the rabbit make antisera against foreign substances. Then antisera from the rabbit was isolated and were tested on the RBC of the derived rhesus monkeys. In all rhesus monkeys, they show a positive reaction with the RBCs. So it was found that the rhesus monkey contain an antigen on the RBCs known as the rhesus antigen. Later on, rabbit antibodies were tested on the human RBCs. The antisera which was produced in the rabbit it was tested on the human RBCs. It was found that some antisera react with the 85% of the population, white population, whereas 15% do not react with the population. It means 85% population show the agglutination, whereas the 15% population do not show any reaction. So there is something common between the rhesus monkeys and the human RBCs. All the RBCs where agglutinations with antisera take place are known as the RH antigen, or we can say that RH positive. Where people do not show any reactivity with the antisera, they are known as the RH negative. The genotype which is responsible for the Rh factor is inherited by three pairs of closely linked allelic genes situated on the chromosome number 9. History, as we discussed in 1939, Levin and Stephen defined D antigen, they are known as the Rh factor. In 1940, Landsteiner and Venner discovered anti-Rh named after rhesus monkey. As we discussed, 80%, 85% of the population show agglutination, whereas the 15% do not show any reaction. So the antibodies were similar to the rabbit antibodies produced when stimulated with the rhesus monkey RBCs, although they were later shown to be different and the name remained. Landsteiner and Venner reported on an antibody by the rabbits that they will be transfused with the rhesus monkey red cells. This antibody, which agglutinated 85% of the human red cells, are named as the Rh positive, whereas other is known as Rh negative, where they do not show any reaction. So anti-rhesus formed by the animals was named anti-W by Landsteiner and Venner. Rh antigens. As we discussed, there are more than 50 types of Rh antigens present in a human blood. Apart from that, there are only 5 types which are very important. So let's discuss them. Rh antigens are highly immunogenic, means they produce reverse reaction very frequently. They are very immunogenic, and the D antigen is the most potent out of the 5 and Rh antigen. D is the most potent. So D, small c, capital E, capital C and E. D is the highly immunogenic whereas E is the rarely immunogenic. So exposure to less than 1 ml of Rh positive R cells, red cells, can stimulate antibodies production in the Rh negative person. If 1 ml of Rh positive RBCs are injected in the Rh negative person, it can stimulate the production of the antibodies. So the Rh antigens are highly immunogenic in nature. Rh genetics. The genes which are responsible for the production of Rh antigens are Rhd genes and Rhce genes. These are two closely linked genes which controls the expression of all types of Rh antigens. They are co-dominant alleles. Rhd determines the expression of the D antigen, that is capital D antigens, and there is no small d. Rhce genes determines the expression of the C, capital C, small c, capital E and E antigen present on the surface of the RBC. Among them, D is the most important, or we can say it is the most immunogenic Rh antigen. Rh antigen structure. Rh antigen are basically proteins having peptide chains which passes through the RBC membrane. Here this is the RBC lipid biomembrane from which loops are passing. So they are passes through the RBC membrane 12 times. So they are called 12 passes membrane protein. They are the integral part of a RBC membrane having 6 extracellular loops and 6 intracellular loops, having amino and the carboxylic end. Apart from that, there is one more loop. There is another molecule on the extracellular loop, that is loop number 2. There can be a capital C or small c, which is responsible for the Rh antigen capital C and small c, which are also very immunogenic in nature. And at loop number 4, there is an antigen capital E or small e. They all proteins are coded by a gene present on the chromosome number 1. So all these protein sequences or peptide sequences are the Rh antigen, Rh antigen D, Rh antigen C and Rh antigen E, which are responsible for the Rh positive or Rh negative. Rh nomenclature. There are several different systems of nomenclature that theorize the inheritance of Rh system. It was studied by various scientists, and on the basis of their discovery they named it differently, like Fisher and Race, Venner and Rosenfield. Fisher-Race nomenclature. They give C, D and E terminology to the Rh antigen. It is the most commonly used and also used by the WHO. It was developed by the Ronald Fishers and the Robert Race of England. They theorized that Rh antigens are controlled by a complex of 3 sets of genes which are closely together, located together, like D, C and E gene complex code 4, which code for a D, C and E antigen. As shown in the figure, Fisher-Race nomenclature, he states that there are 3 closely linked genes D, C and E. Capital D produce D antigen, capital C produce C antigen, small c antigen, capital E produce E antigen and small e produce E small e antigen. Venner nomenclature, he gave Rh and HR terminology to the Rh antigens. It is a rarely used but good for describing phenotypes. A single gene at the Rh locus led to the expression of the Rh antigens. As we know, each parent contributes one Rh gene. So there are 8 alleles exist at each gene locus. Each gene controls production of an agglutinogen, which are composed of 3 factors. As shown in the figure, according to the Venner theory, he donated the Rh factor Y, Rh naught which is D, Rh single comma C, Rh inverted commas capital E, HR comma small c and HR inverted commas is small e. They are all are located at a single gene at single locus. Next is the Rosenfield nomenclature. He again antigen describes the antigens by numerals like Rh1 is for D, Rh2 for C, Rh3 for capital E, Rh4 is for C, Rh5 for C. For example, D plus, C plus or E minus, C plus, E plus is written as RH 1, 2, minus 3, 4 and 5. RH incompatibility. What is RH incompatibility? It is a condition that develops when a pregnant woman has RH negative blood and the baby in her womb is RH positive. Is having a RH positive blood. Most anti-A and anti-B antibodies are of IgM class, so they do not cross the placenta. But in fact, an Rh negative and a type O mother carrying Rh positive or type A, B or AB fetus is resistant to sanitization to the Rh antigen. Her anti-A and anti-B antibodies destroy any fetal cell that enter her blood before they can elicit anti-Rh antibody in her. So importance of Rh system. After the A and B antigens, the D antigen is the most important R cells or red cells antigen in the blood banking. The D antibody can cause transfusion reaction and the hemolytic disease of the newborn, or we can say that is a erythroblastosis fetalis. So a person is having Rh positive blood group, it cannot transfer his blood to the Rh negative person. Person with Rh negative blood can develop Rh antibodies in the blood plasma if he or she receives blood from a person with Rh positive blood whose Rh negative antigen. Rh antigen can trigger the production of the Rh antibodies. A person with Rh positive blood can receive blood from a person with Rh negative blood without any problem.